This is going to be a quick video replacing some fog lights on my F-250. These are the Ala Lighting H10 CSPs. I bought them off Amazon. They're a direct replacement, in my case, for 2008 F-250 fog light replacement. Here's the vehicle over here. I bought them on Amazon. I'll leave you a link in the description exactly which product they are. So there's the fog lights. Right now they have the stock halogen bulbs in them, and I'm going to climb underneath and show you how to quickly replace these. This lamp is a little got some condensation buildup, so there must be some leak in there. It's another issue. I'm going to take care of that too. So for the purpose of this, this lens is in good shape, so I'm just going to change out this one for the purpose of the video from underneath, because then I'm going to tackle trying to seal that other side. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I have to do is crawl underneath the truck. I'm laying on the floor already, and I'm going to pull the camera in here so you get a perspective of exactly where I am. This is coming from underneath the bumper. And right there is the body mount underneath the radiator body mount. So a little bit lower, right in here, is the fog lamp. So to give you an idea, my head is against the passenger side wheel, and my chest is right underneath where the fog lamp is. So I'm right under the bumper. It's very accessible. Okay, so I got a finger in there and I disconnected that little tab. Now if I just pull on the bottom here with my left hand, I don't want to pull on those wires too much, but there we go. Okay, so that just pops out. Yeah, I switched hands with the phone, so I'm holding the phone in my left hand now. I can grab this with my right. A little rotation counterclockwise. I know my hand's in the way, but here you see I rotated it. That releases the tabs. Just shimmy it out. There's the old halogen bulb. Okay, so that was nice and easy to get out. Let's go compare the two. All right, there's the halogen next to the LEDs. You can see they're pretty much identically the same size, same types of tabs, same types of connections. So now it's a matter of just doing the reverse order with the LED light. There's the new LED light connected to the wire harness. It's easier to make the connection first and then get it in the slot. So I'm just gonna reach up there with my hand, get in there so you see it's going in, and then you hold it a little off to the side like that because those tabs need to line up. And then once you get it seated, give it a little bit of clockwise turn and it'll lock in. And the wire harness, when it's all done, should be facing down toward the bottom. So it's gonna go off to the side first and then boom, lock in that way. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down to do that. Okay, so that's installed. Now I got it tucked up in there really good, and then test them out. Okay, so there they are in the on position, and you can see how much whiter and brighter they are than the stock halogen. And in case you're wondering, my regular headlights, those are on low beam right now. Those are also LED lights from Ala Lighting. I think they're the 8,000 lumen. It was before the latest generation, so they're not the latest and greatest in there. I think they were the $60 version CSPs. Again, I'm talking about the headlights. They have a better product out. I just installed that better product, the $99 version, on my 2014 Dodge Charger. I'll leave a link for that video in case you're interested in seeing how that one gets changed out. But again, there's the fog light. It's certainly much whiter. Check out that Dodge Charger video if you want to see a little bit more entailed version of installing some lights. And thanks for watching.